Getting the best deals on car rentals in Philadelphia. Are you looking for the best deals on car rentals in Philadelphia? Do you want to know the most affordable ways to get around the city? With so many car rental companies operating in Philadelphia, it can be difficult to know which one to choose. That's why we've put together this comprehensive guide to getting the best deals on car rentals in Philadelphia. 1. Compare prices. The first step to getting the best deals on car rentals in Philadelphia is to compare prices. Different car rental companies have different prices for the same vehicle and amenities. Take the time to compare prices from different agencies to find the best deal. Many rental companies offer discounts for booking online, so be sure to take advantage of this. You can also look for promo codes that can help you save even more money. You can use claviscar.com to compare the prices of all rental companies. 2. Choose the right car. Choosing the right car is important when it comes to getting the best deals on car rentals in Philadelphia. There are a variety of vehicles available, ranging from economy cars to luxury sedans. If you're looking for something basic and inexpensive, an economy car is the way to go. For more comfort and space, you can opt for a midsize or full-size car. If you're looking for some extra luxury, you can choose a luxury sedan or SUV. 3. Consider the length of rental. The length of your rental can have a big impact on the cost of your rental. Generally, the longer you rent a car, the better the deal you can get. Many car rental companies offer discounts for weekly and monthly rentals. If you're planning to stay in Philadelphia for a long period of time, it might be worth it to get a longer rental package. 4. Look for special deals. Many car rental companies offer special deals and discounts to customers. Be sure to check the company's website or social media pages for any promotions or deals. You may be able to find discounts for specific days or times of the day. You may also be able to find special deals for long-term rentals or special packages. 5. Join a rental program. Many car rental companies offer membership programs that can help you save money. By joining a rental program, you can get access to discounts and special offers. You may also be able to get discounts on additional services such as roadside assistance and fuel services. 6. Check for discounts. If you're a member of a rewards program or have a certain credit card, you may be able to get discounts on car rentals in Philadelphia. Many credit card companies offer discounts on car rentals, so be sure to check with your card issuer to see if you qualify. You can also check with your airline if they offer any special discounts on car rentals. 7. Negotiate your rental rate. You may be able to negotiate a better rate on your car rental in Philadelphia. Don't be afraid to ask for a better rate or special deal. If you're a frequent customer, you may be able to get a better rate. You may also be able to get a better rate if you're renting for a longer period of time. These are just a few tips for getting the best deals on car rentals in Philadelphia. By taking the time to compare prices, choose the right car, and look for special deals, you can save money on your rental. Be sure to take advantage of discounts, rewards programs, and other offers to get the best rate possible. Thanks for watching.